This is my Canon T3i with my little fuzzy shotgun mic on top. It's probably pretty similar to what you use. Obviously just got it plugged in there on the side. So with the camera in video mode, I'm gonna flip it on, and here we go. So we're gonna go up here and push your menu button, and then over in the tab where you have your sound recording option, you're going to make sure that's set to manual, and that you can do right there, manual, auto, or disable. I choose manual. You can come down here to your recording level, and you can actually see the microphone is picking up what I'm saying. It's facing away from me, so it's not going to be as loud. But basically, whatever your microphone's pointing towards, whatever the loudest point is, like whatever your loudest noises are, like if you're at a concert or whatever, you want those to be falling somewhere around -6 to -12, because on your decibel reading for this anyway, you have -40 all the way to 0. 0, it will clip. You will have crappy audio at 0. So anywhere from 12 or -12 to -6 is where you want your audio to fall, most of it. And then if it does happen to go a bit above -6, you still won't have clipping. It'll just be loud in your recording. So I'm not sure how different the T3i is to the T4i, but I'd imagine they're pretty similar. But yeah, that's how you get to that. Again, you'll just go into your menu, go over here where it says sound recording manual, or over here in the tab where you have like your movie record size and your sound recording. Also, another thing I wanted to touch on, if your camera has an option for wind noise reduction, turn it off. So there where it says wind filter disable, I have that disabled because I'm in manual. The wind filter, it tries to equalize the sound while it's recording, which is not good. So having that disabled allows the wind muff on top of your camera to do its job of keeping wind noise out of your audio. So this is set to complete manual, and then anytime that you're recording video, you just hop in here, check your levels, make sure you're all good, and then from there you can worry about, your exposure and focus and composition and all that.